Modere's Biocell Life Reviews. Is it worth all of the hype? Let me tell you, in today's episode, I'm going to blow your mind with how incredible Life Biocell is. Now, let me first say, if we are just meeting, my name is Julie Reynolds, and I help network marketers brand themselves with confidence and build their dream business online. In this channel, I give you weekly tips on how to build your network marketing business online using the same strategies I've used to hit the top ranks of my company. So make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel so that you never miss out. So let's talk about this Life Biocell by Modere. I'm going to show you what it has done for my skin. Are you guys ready? Look at this. These are my results. If you can see, my problem area are my bags, and this is the Biocell by Modere, and this is what it has done to my skin in 3 months. Oh my God. And this is my girl Maria. This is her mom that she put on the Biocell. Look at these results. So, is it worth it? Yes, it is absolutely worth it. It's got 7 international patents, so you will not find this type of biocell or collagen anywhere else. We have 7 international patents on it, and the reason that it makes it so special is that it absorbs into your body, into your bloodstream, because it's a liquid, it's not a solid, and so the molecules are just small enough so that your body can actually absorb it, all right? It is amazing. The clinical studies behind it show it. It can take up to 6 weeks to work to build up the collagen and the hyaluronic acid that's in your body. But at the age of 30, your body stops producing collagens at the same levels. And so if you're 30 or over, like me, you need this product because you need to start building back up the collagen that's been depleted from your body. So my question of the day for you is this: have you ever tried collagen? Put in the comments below yes or no, and whether you've enjoyed the product. But I gotta tell you, this stuff is amazing. I'm going to put for you a link to order. You're gonna wanna get a month's supply, 2 bottles, and I have got a special promo code for you. The link is in the comments below, so make sure you check it out. And then, as always, I've got my freebie for you if you are in network marketing and you want to build your business online. I have got my free worksheet on your daily goal activities on what you should be doing every single day to rock your business. So as always, this is Julie Reynolds. I will see you for next week's episode of Julie Reynolds TV.